So here's a quick tutorial on how to integrate Chartboost into your app. This is using Swift 3 and Xcode 8. I have a simple demo project here that I put together just to give you an idea of how to do it. So you're going to start by going to your Chartboost dashboard if you have a Chartboost account. If you don't, you need to create one at chartboost.com. You need to add the app to your dashboard. So whichever app you're going to set up, go ahead and set that up in your dashboard, and once you have that, download the latest SDK from the Chartboost dashboard in there. I believe it's their tools section. Then you need to create an active publishing campaign. Once that's set up, you can come back to the app. Then what you want to do is drop the Chartboost framework into your project. I like to keep my stuff fairly organized, so I have a frameworks subdirectory here. We have the site root, we have the Chartboost demo, and then we have the frameworks directory. And I dropped it into there. I included it so it's copied in our project bundle, which I have. This is using the Chartboost 6.5.1 SDK. I just downloaded it today, and it is September 25, 2016. So the Chartboost framework is in here, except I already dragged it out, so you're not going to find it there now. If I go to here, the Chartboost demo, then you can see the frameworks directory here. Also, let's see here, you're going to need to create a framework bridging header. So the way I did that, just by going, new file, and then I just created a Swift file, or actually no, this particular one was a header file, and click next, which I've already done, and then I've named mine framework bridging. Once that's created, you will import Chartboost into this bridging file. Then you're going to open up your project root. You're going to go to build settings. You're going to search for bridging header. Now you'll see the Objective-C bridging header. That is because the Chartboost SDK is written in Objective-C. So double click. You can enter in project directory and then the subdirectory. If you put it in the same place I did, you'll have your project name followed by frameworks, which is this directory here, followed by the file name. Go ahead and put that in so that Swift can basically see your Chartboost framework. You can make use of the functions, their Chartboost API. So now that we've got that done, what you want to do is go to App Delegate. Actually, before I go to that, we want to go to Build Phases. Now Chartboost requires that you include a few binaries, so you're going to link to Core Graphics, Foundation, and StoreKit. Chartboost should already be automatically linked if you added it like this. So now that we've got that done, go back to App Delegate, and we will go to Application Did Finish Launching. You're going to type in chartboost.start. This is using Swift 3 syntax, and with app ID, I will show you this. I created an enum that keeps all of this. You can basically check at compile time instead of just typing in raw strings. You can do that if you want to. That's a little more work the way I did it, but also, I'm going to create another tutorial that shows how to manage multiple ad networks in the same app. So if you're going to follow on and do that later, you can subscribe, and that will come up probably later this week. Using that, you'll have this advertising IDs file. So now that we have created this enum, this basically keeps your IDs organized so you can reference them with autocomplete. This is an enum. Advertising ID is of type string. Case Chartboost ID. This is an empty string. Case Chartboost signature. Go ahead and put your own IDs in here for your app that you created in the Chartboost dashboard. And then go to App Delegate to pre-cache what you want to show for your ads in the locations that you want to show them. This is just home screen I'm using. I believe you can put your custom ones, and they have a whole collection of locations here that you can use. If you want to know how to jump there, that's Command and then click on it and it will jump to the header. Basically this is if you look, Chartboost header is chartboost.h, which is the definition of their API in Objective-C. Now we're going to jump to the view controller, and I already have a button set up connected to an action, just a demo. If there's a rewarded video, it will show it. If there's an interstitial, it will show it. If there's a more apps screen, it will show it. If any of them, if this one fails, it'll jump to the next one. If those conditions are true, it will try to show. So I have this running already here. So when you click on it, it will show the ad, and it's loading an interstitial. So that's pretty much all you have to do to get Chartboost up and running in your app. They have more information at chartboost.com/, what is it, /documentation, I believe, /iOS, since this is an iOS tutorial. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more tutorials. Like the video. I'll be trying to put up a new video every week at least, maybe more if I can manage it. I do professional software development for iOS apps, and I'll try to get as many of these up as I can to help you guys with different stuff that I have figured out how to do that you may want help with. So yeah, like, follow, share. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hope it helped.